Good morning guys from Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. We're back in Thailand again after spending an amazing Christmas in Cambodia.
Yes, and we also spent New Year's in Chiang Mai because obviously I'm sure you guys know they do a beautiful celebration here, which is the lanterns, and
it was unreal.
It was unreal, and we will show you a few tiny little sneak peek clips. But today we have a very fun day, very fun itinerary should I say. We are going to be visiting some Thai elephants. I'm so excited for this. Some of you probably already know that seeing elephants is a very touchy subject, as some of them aren't exactly,
a lot of them,
treated well.
So hopefully we found an ethical elephant sanctuary, so we're going to take you along with us.
Let's go. So guys, our pickup has just arrived. About to get on. Oh, I can't wait. I can't.
Go on, use those muscles.
How am I supposed to get on that?
I cannot remember it.
Okay.
And the gang's all here.
We're a rock and roll team.
So we've just arrived. I wouldn't say it was a hellish journey here. It was just a bit interesting, a bit
We've
steep.
got numb arses after that. But we're so far up in the mountain here, we didn't realise it's actually really cold. And
nice.
so refreshing as well. There's no fumes. It's the perfect place to have an elephant sanctuary actually. And we can see more.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I can't wait. This is so exciting. Thank you very much. So we have now gotten changed into our ponchos, if you like to call them, our elephant wear.
I love it.
We're just waiting for a few more people to join the group, and then we're gonna follow the leader to the elephants. I cannot wait. We can already see them just there playing around, eating. I'm so excited for this.
This is torture. I just want to get there.
Yeah. Don't want to touch you. Got our bananas.
So we just had a briefing. They gave us loads of bananas, and we're now going to be feeding them.
What you doing?
So now we're going to go and feed them some corn.
One by one.
Look at us all going down the hill. We're like little ants. Yeah, do you want some?
Yeah.
Louder, louder! 3, 2, 1!
Bon bon!
Wow, today be happy.
After seeing some adult elephants, it's now time to see the little baby elephants.
It's tiring feeding elephants.
Yeah, it's a hard life.
They eat 300 kilos a day.
And this bridge is really wobbly. So we're going to see some baby elephants, and one of them are as young as 5 months old. I can't wait, this day's great.
Come on, son. He wants to play with it.
So now that we've seen the adults, teenagers and baby elephants, we're now going to head and see the grandparents. With the grandpa and grandma of elephants, we're now working up an appetite, so we're just going to get some food and then
we're going for a bath with the elephants.
I'm so excited. This includes a mud bath for us, which is awesome, and the elephants, and then we are going to go to a waterfall
and wash them off. Wash yourselves off.
I can't wait. It's going to be great. We'll see you in 5.
One glass.
They are good. They're good, but also bad.
Looks like your stuffing balls, Regula.
It's always been a problem.
So, got our balls.
They actually smell really good. So it's just basically banana and corn, and yeah, we're off to feed them. How cool is this gonna be?
Just gonna put everything non-waterproof away, so we'll see you guys on the GoPro. Ninja. Bobon!
3, 2, 1.
Bobon! Haven't taken it.
Just me and you having a bath. That's it. The GoPro. This beautiful gentle giant is called Bon Jan, and she's 40 years young. She's so gentle. She's my favourite.
I mean, she's huge, but she's so beautiful.
What an amazing experience we've had here. It's worth every penny.
I highly recommend, if anyone wants to do an elephant experience in Chiang Mai, Thailand, highly recommend the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. It's worth every single penny.
It's been amazing. We haven't seen any signs of foul treatment or anything like that. So.
And no riding.
No riding. It's such a good sanctuary. It is a sanctuary. We've been so impressed with them. It's a bit more expensive than the other ones around here, but it's worth paying for the proper treatment, we think so. But if you enjoyed the video,
give it a thumbs up. If there's anything that we missed out, maybe you guys have been here, let us know, comment down below. Or also hit the little bell to stay notified, and like always,
here's to adventure.